Hey, it's Michael from Rapid Tools. Cutting carpet and flooring can be slow and repetitive work, especially when you're constantly stopping to flip or replace dull blades. Standard knives can also make it harder than it should be, breaking your focus and wasting valuable time. That's why we designed our Rapid Edge pivoting carpet knife. Its pivoting head lets you cut, flip, and keep cutting without downtime. And the quick change button allows you to swap blades out in seconds, reducing blade handling and minimizing slips. Watch this. Instead of stopping to change blades, just pivot the knife head and instantly use the other side. And when the blade dulls, flip it to the other side or swap in a new blade with the push of a button. No break in momentum. Our Rapid Edge pivoting carpet knife is built for real job site use. Durable, comfortable, and ready for work. Its ergonomic handle and built-in belt clip make it easy to carry and use all day. And the foldable design keeps it safe and compact for when you're done. Pair it with our Rapid Edge carpet blade packs for dual-sided sharpness and consistent performance on every cut. Upgrade your flooring project today with a Rapid Edge pivoting carpet knife at rapidtools.net. Precise, safe, and built to keep you moving.